Why is it that some people still glow naturally even after 25, while others start looking tired, dull, and wrinkled before they even hit 30? It's not just a skin problem. The real game is happening inside. Deep down, your collagen and connective tissues start getting weaker, little by little. And when collagen begins to break down, your face loses its tightness, your skin starts to sag, and even your posture begins to drop. Think about it. By the age of 40, we lose almost 25% of our collagen. That's why the glow fades, wrinkles begin to show, and we tell ourselves, it's just age. But the truth is, this aging isn't natural. It's manageable. You just need to understand how to rebuild your collagen, and that's where your real anti-aging journey begins. Now let's talk about the real problem. There's an enzyme in your body that starts breaking down your collagen, and this enzyme gets triggered by three main things: too much sugar, frequent use of antibiotics, and long exposure to sunlight. The more sugar you have in your system, the more damage it does. Proteins start to stick together, your skin loses its firmness, and the aging process speeds up. Most people say, "But I don't even eat sugar." What they don't realize is that refined carbs are sugar too, like bread, pasta, chips, and other processed foods. All of these are silent killers of your collagen. Now let's talk about protection. Vitamin D acts like a shield. It protects your collagen from breaking down. You should aim for at least 10,000 IU every day. And vitamin C? It's absolutely essential for building collagen. But when your sugar levels are high, or if you smoke, vitamin C simply can't do its job. One of the best natural sources of vitamin C is raw sauerkraut, a hidden gem for glowing, youthful skin. And here's the most powerful part: exercise. It's not just for muscles, it's one of the best natural ways to boost collagen. Simple moves like planks, slow push-ups, and controlled pull-ups where you lower yourself slowly, all of these strengthen your collagen from within. And yes, sprinting helps too. Just start slow and move at your own pace. But remember, you can't completely stop aging. Yet slowing it down? That's 100% possible. Just cut down on sugar, get a little sunlight every day to boost your vitamin D. Keep both vitamin C and D in balance, and move your body every single day. Add green tea and turmeric to your routine. They're natural protectors of collagen. Aloe vera juice keeps your skin hydrated from within, and bone broth is pure liquid gold for collagen. 1 cup a day can do wonders for your skin. So if you want to slow down wrinkles, bring back your natural glow, and make age look like just a number. Start these habits today. And hey, if you love real, science-backed natural health secrets, make sure to subscribe to Clinical Discovery, where every week we uncover the hidden remedies that transform your skin, body, and mind from within.